A long-hidden Picasso portrait of his muse, Dora Maar, has sold for a staggering $37 million at auction. The painting, titled Bust of a Woman with a Flowered Hat, Dora Maar, was created in 1943 during a tumultuous period in Picasso's life. It depicts Maar, an artist and photographer herself, in a vibrant floral hat, capturing a moment of emotional intensity. The sale of this painting marks a significant moment in art history, shedding light on the complex relationship between Picasso and Maar, who was his muse and partner for 7 years. The work was purchased in 1944 and had remained in the family collection until its recent auction. The auctioneer Christophe Lucien described the sale as an enormous success and an emotional moment, highlighting the painting's vivid colors and raw expression. The sale price of €32 million, $37 million, is a testament to the enduring value of Picasso's work, even surpassing the highest estimates. However, it's worth noting that this painting is far from the most expensive Picasso work ever auctioned. In 2023, the artist's Femme Allemande sold for $139.4 million, and in 2015, a version of Les Femmes d'Alger fetched an astonishing $179.4 million. The sale of this particular painting has sparked curiosity and debate among art enthusiasts, inviting discussions about the emotional depth and artistic significance of Picasso's work during this period.